My name is John Erickson, and I'm reading for the role of Martin.
Get back. Get out of here. Martin?
Do it. Annalene, what are you doing here?
Didn't take long to find the next one, did it?
Please put the knife down.
Look at you now.
Anna, what?
You're so small.
What do you want?
Can you cry for me, Martin?
Anna!
Are you capable of that?
Anna, I don't know what you want.
You're just a small man. You creep into other people's lives. You wrap yourself around their hearts, their necks, and then you pull away when it gets just a little bit too much for you. You're a leech.
Stop this, Anna. You're not yourself.
Myself? No, I'm yours, Martin.
Why did you come here?
To finish this.
I don't think that's true.
You took everything.
And what? Now you're gonna take it all back?
Maybe I am.
Maybe you are. Come on then. Take it.
Stay away.
I missed you so much. I never thought this would happen.
Neither did I.
I still love you.
You're a snake.
As you always said.
I was right.
No, you weren't. I never meant to hurt you. I just couldn't keep up anymore. You know that. We have something. Only we understand. It's not about this. I'm sorry.